Welcome back to the show, guys. Hope everybody traded well today. This is my recap for the 11th of March. I didn't do a whole lot of trading today. I only took 3 trades. As you can see here, I had ASTS, MGLD, and HYMC. A lot of the other traders today weren't doing a whole lot, so a lot of people were out like 10 o'clock, 10:15. They were all signing off. So I'm just going to go quickly through this because one of the stocks as well, for whatever reason, I can't do the replays on it. So anyways, I'm going to start here with ASTS. This one came up on the on our scanners. So let's just jump into this. This one made a big move pre-market, and immediately out of the gates, it did try to come up there, as you can see, with this large hair, and then it reversed and just kind of sold off. I think it kind of did that the whole day. Let's just see here. So I'm looking to get short. I am clear of the price action, but when the cloud is like this, I'm not as concerned about it. This here is green, so it's kind of meaning go long. But because I've seen such a dump here, and we are below the VWAP, I decided that I was going to give this one a shot. I got filled here at exactly 10:10, and I moved my stops down quickly, and then I got filled here at 10:07. So I did make a quick 3 cents right there, actually. Boom, took me out. So yeah, I got moved that down, and I got taken out of that trade immediately. So I took 1,000 shares of that and made 30 profit. Go directly into the next one here. I don't believe I can show you the replay of this one. I had a stock yesterday doing the exact same thing as this stock did today. So we had a rise right out of the gates here, and then we had a bit of a not much of a reversal, but like profit taking. You see how many green candles and a couple little mini pullbacks. So with this much of a move, whenever you're moving from like, so this is 429 all the way up to 669. So this is a huge move here right out of the gates. And whenever you have that, eventually you're going to get to a point, usually on your third pullback. Let's see, 1, 2, and yeah, so this is your third pullback here. And then what you'll do is you'll get a bit of like a dip coming through here, and then it'll start to build momentum again. People are taking their profit. And so that's what I was waiting for. I was waiting more for kind of like a cup here and watch this thing kind of rise through the highs of the day. So here we have at 669 is the high. So as soon as I seen that pullback on the second one, I marked the high. I don't use the hairs or the tails when I'm doing this stuff. So I always just take the full body of the candle. And then, so I'm kind of looking here to go long. I can try the replay, but what's the point? I'll just show you guys what I'm looking at here. So at this point, we are actually clear, definitely clear of all the price action with the lagging indicator, and we're above this VWAP pink line here, the price action. We're above the price action is above this blue line as well. And we also had a green cloud in the front, and our blue moving average is above the orange moving average. They're not actually moving averages. I've explained that before, but I just call them that because it's easier. I can call this A and B, blue or orange. Anyways, I'm looking at the best spot for me to go in long on this, and I'm thinking the momentum traders are all on this. They're looking for the break of the high of day. So as soon as I'm kind of turning here, I can see down here on my stochastic. So this is the ichiMoka strategy. I add in the RSI stochastic layover, and they're kind of together in this chart. I'm at 10 and 90. So when this crossed here at this point, I'm thinking now I'm looking to go long for the break, for the break of high day. So I was thinking I'm going to get in here at the 667 right there, and then I'll get out when it breaks high of day. If I start seeing some good indicators that it's going to continue that way, I'd just stay in it and keep moving my stop. But in this instance, I seen exactly what happened yesterday, and I got caught. I actually lost 280 euro yesterday on a trade very similar to this one. So it started to come. It broke right here. I got my cross, and then actually, if you look on the MACD, you can see this blue line started to curl back. And that's usually something that I look for before I get in. So I seen that and I saw that my ichiMoka clouds are set up, so I immediately went long. And when I seen this candle here, you can see the hair that we have here. So it rejected coming up even to the highs. So it didn't even make it to the highs, and it immediately turned around. This one here, just for me, I got quick on the trigger, and I got out on the second the next candle here. I pushed the button as quickly, and I didn't get a great fill. So on that trade, I made I got out at 66.69, yeah, right there. So I got out really quickly. I'm happy with what I've done because my strategy is there to minimize your losses and keep your losses very, very small. In the meantime, once in a while, you're going to catch a good runner that is maybe, you know, $1. Like yesterday was my biggest winner, 1,440 euro on that one. But I lost 280 that day on one very similar like this, and I got caught in another one on that, another 50 euros yesterday. It was like just like this. It came down. I was looking for the break. I took the next candle, and then it shot up, and then it had that big hair there, and then it just, you know, well, the rest is history. Anyways, this one here, you know, we profited 20 euros on that one. So yeah, we can give ourselves an applause. Next play here, HYMC. So this one here, HYMC. Okay, let's just keep this going here. Let's move ahead. I'm just going to jump right through this so that we can finish this this up. Only 8 minutes. Okay, so I'm looking for going short on this because we have a red cloud in the front. Okay, shorting is borrowing stock that your brokers already have, and you're just borrowing it for a small fee, and then you're selling it on the market. You're going to buy it back later once it goes down at a cheaper price, and then you're going to give it back to the broker. That's called shorting. So here we go. We're going to take a look here, and I have this highlighted here for a reason, because in this instance, you can take a look here and you see the lagging indicator, and you think, okay, we're clear of the cloud now, so you know, now everything is set up as far as my ichiMoka setup. Now, to go with the ichiMoka, my setup, I definitely want to see that this here is coming down and that this here is crossing. So here we go. Let's go into the next candle, and like I really want you guys to see how this actually has a bit of a corner here and coming back down to the orange. So this is actually for me one of my favorite setups. When I've crossed up here above the 90, actually that's crossing like 95, so that's beautiful. It's crossed the two lines here, actually going back down into the blue area. That's below 90, and then I've got that blue line here coming back down toward the orange on the MACD. So I'm looking, I have everything set kind of the way I want it. And I like to get in early at this point, but let's take a look what happens here. So I got a candle that opened here. At the end of this, I actually pressed the go button. So I took a short position at 152. And this lagging indicator came right back into the cloud. Whenever that happens, as soon as you have a problem with your clouds, okay, the ichiMoka strategy, the Japanese trading, if you have any of those indicators take you out, you get out right away. So on this one here, it came back, but I got out right away. And then this kind of happened like this. Whenever it came back in, you know, that kind of took me out. Like, I'd rather get out break even and lose a bit on my locate cost, because here you can see it cost me $13.50 for 500 shares to reserve. And then I broke even, except I lost $13.50 on my short. So I'm kind of glad on that one that I didn't keep going on it, because it just, you know, this is why you have mechanical ins and outs. Why a lot of traders lose money is they don't stick to their rules. It doesn't matter what strategy you have, whether it's mine, the ichiMoka strategy, or whether it's somebody else's or one that you develop yourself. If you have mechanic in and out, then you have to trade your rules, or you're going to have a problem with your percentage of success and your profit loss ratios. So it's important to keep those in mind, and just stick to your rules and trade calmly, and you should do fine. Every day, every once in a while, we're going to have a bit of an issue, but that's the nature of trading. So anyways, I hope that my audio worked a little better today. My video should be a little more clear. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, just put them in the comments below. Thank you very much, and have a great day.